Hello everyone, my name is Nabin Misra and today we are going to discuss about a very useful feature of MS Excel, Flash Fill. Friends, Flash Fill is a very powerful feature of MS Excel. This Flash Fill option is added in MS Excel 2016 version. So I want to show you how to use Flash Fill feature. So see, here in the left hand side of my screen, I'm working on product code and and in product code I want to display three middle digit of the product code. So what we can do, we can simple go here and we can type suppose I want 987 and then I want 765. So we can simple select, and if you want to use shortcut key, you can go to the home, click on the field and then click on the flash field. And yes, it's a very useful feature. By default I got this option. Suppose you want to display only the two digit of this day, so we can type only MO. And now if you want to use a shortcut key, what we can do, the shortcut key is Control E, and see automatic I got this first two digit code of this days. Now next I want to move on the advanced feature of flash fill. Look at this screen. In the screen, my first column is address and the address is mixed. Okay, so I want to display a street address here. In the next column I want to city, in the third column I want to display state, and last column I want to display the zip code. How do this? We can simple move my cursor here and we can type let's say just one moment. We can select this, copy, and then we can paste state here. Now I want to extract this last United States from here. So we can select and just press Control E, and automatically I got all the name from the left side. Now next I want to know the city. So look at this in this data address, FL I want. So we can simple type FL. Now here I want MA. So you can just type 2 so that flash fill can guess a variable. And now you can just select and press Control E. And look at this, automatically I got all the details. Now I will go here and I will type this address, copy, and you can paste. One more time you can go here and you can select this and copy, and I can paste here, and again you can just select Control E, and automatically see I am able to get the flash fill automatically. Now I will go here I will type this zip code, copy, and then paste here. Now again I will move my cursor here, and in the next, see we have yes, we can select this one, we can select this one, copy, and then paste here. Right, now we can select this and Control E, and automatically I got this, but I'm not getting properly. So what we can do, we can simply select this one, Control E, and see I'm getting this data properly. So the friends, this flash fill option is a very useful option, and thank you so much for joining. Please, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye, take care.